For the slide pocket, because of the thickness of our fabric, we will be using a thin material, and usually the fabric we use is of cotton blend. We will follow the pattern of our slide pocket. You just need 1/2 of an inch or 1.3 centimeter sewing allowances on all sides of our pocket. Okay, as with any part of our fabric, when we fold our fabric, we want to get the grain line. So the fold of the fabric have the same width. So now we will lay our pattern this way. You make sure that you have adequate allowance on the other side of your fabric. As you can see, this fabric was not evenly cut. That's why we really need to get the grain line. Okay, so as you can see, this is the fold of our slide pocket. Again, we have to make sure that the center of the pocket is on the grain line, which means that from the fold of the fabric, the grain line has an equal distance. From the fold of the fabric, the center of our pocket is of equal distance from top to bottom. This way you know that you're on the grain line of the fabric. So now we will pin the slide pocket pattern on the fabric this way. Knowing that we need 1/2 of an inch or 1.3 centimeters on all sides of this pattern for the sewing allowances, I am just cutting the fabric this way. Okay, since this fabric is thin, we can use our regular fabric tracing paper. You can also mark the center fold of the pocket.